Today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on the white or light theme in the OneDrive app, whether you're using the web version or the desktop app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to switch from dark mode to clean, bright interface, making your files easier to view, especially if you prefer a lighter look or find it less straining on your eyes. Let's dive right in and get your OneDrive looking crisp and refreshed. First, let's tackle the OneDrive web experience. So if you use OneDrive through your browser, maybe for school, work, or just syncing personal files, follow along. Start by opening up your OneDrive in your favorite web browser. Look up at the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. That's your settings. Think of it like the control center for all your preferences. Go ahead and click that gear icon. Now a settings menu should pop out. In that menu, look for an option called Theme. This is where OneDrive gives you control over the background and color scheme for your interface. It's honestly pretty handy to have it right up front. When you click Theme, you'll see a few different color options. Here you want to choose either light or system default. If you go with light, OneDrive will always stay bright, no matter what your Windows or Mac system is set to. System default means OneDrive will automatically match whatever theme your operating system is using. For example, if your computer switches to dark mode at night, OneDrive will follow along. If you want OneDrive always light, just stick to light. This little choice can keep your workspace consistent and less distracting, especially if you switch apps a lot during the day. Don't worry if you don't see the theme change instantly. A quick page refresh or just navigating around should show the color update. Now moving over to the OneDrive desktop app, this process is a little different, but honestly it's still super simple. On your Windows computer, right-click anywhere on your desktop. That could be the background, an empty area, or wherever you don't have an icon. A context menu will pop up, giving you a bunch of options. Look for and click on Personalize. Think of Personalize as your main hub for all the appearance settings in Windows. Once you're in the Personalization settings window, you'll notice several options down the left or across the top, but what you want is Themes. Clicking into Themes brings up all the ways you can change the look and feel of your system, from wallpapers to sounds. Here you need to look for the option to select your theme. Find Light Theme and select it. Now here why this matters, not just for OneDrive but for all the compatible apps on your system. Changing to the light theme doesn't just affect the desktop background. It actually updates the entire interface of Windows, including apps like OneDrive. So you're giving your computer a coherent, bright look, making OneDrive and other apps easier to use if you're sensitive to dark colors or just prefer that classic clean style. And don't worry, if you ever want to switch back, you can follow these steps in reverse. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've switched OneDrive to a fresh, light theme, whether you're on the web or using the desktop app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a quick like. And if you have any questions or got stuck anywhere, drop me a comment below. I always check and I'm happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.